Really? What are you trying to say, Aiden? Where'd your car go? Did brother take the red one? Oh wait, no, you had this one over here. Here. And Bailey, here, take this other one so you don't take brother's car. Uh-oh. Don't. No, no, no. We don't hit. Here. Use it on the floor like you were doing. See? Yeah. Yeah?
No.
Yeah. Watch this. Yeah? Play with the car. Bailey, get me a ball. Where's a ball? Ball. Where's a ball? You're walking right past one. Go get me a ball. No, that's not a ball. You're silly. Where's a ball? Yay! You got a ball! Good job, Bailey boy. Yeah! You're so smart. Thank you. Thank you for the ball. I love you. You want it? Whoa! Where's the dog? Dog? Where's the dog? 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 Where's the dog? You can go to midnight or go get me a stuffed dog. Where's the dog, Bailey? Go look for a dog. Where's the dog? Do you see a dog? Come here, look for a dog. Dog? Dog? Find mommy a dog. That's a shoe. Remember? That's a shoe. Where's the dog? Look, there's a couple right there. In the toy box, those are Vanna's dogs. Does she let you play with, huh? You see the dog? Where's the dog? You're not gonna get a dog for Mama? You're distracted? Because Mommy has a camera? At least you got Mommy a ball. Yeah. Ooh, and now brother has the ball. And now he dropped it. Yay, you got a dog! You heard Mama, huh? You were just waiting. You got a dog and you got some other toy. A bear, huh? Good job. I love you.